As you navigate your journey, is it important that your attorney is a local attorney? I often answer that question with a yes. The great attorneys in the community know the court system that they're working in. They're around long enough, and not necessarily years of time in the community, but they have enough cases in a particular court where they could say, oh, okay, if you get Judge A, he or she tends to lean this way, or he or she tends to rule on this particular issue this way. But if you have Judge B over here, well, they're a little bit more stringent on this issue, but a little bit more lenient on that issue. So that knowledge of the bench, that knowledge of the judges in the community that you're going to litigate your case in is really, really critical. Now, can you have an out-of-town, as I call them, attorney come into a particular jurisdiction and represent you? Absolutely. Is the law the same within your state? Absolutely. But that little extra edge of being able to give you insight, not only to the judges, but to the local procedures in that court. You know, if I show up at 4:15 and I need to file something in a rush, am I going to get turned away? Or can I file something at 4:25 on a weekday? They're going to know the great mediators in the area. They're going to know the other attorneys in the area. And I can, within some degree of certainty, say to a potential client, oh, your husband is represented by attorney A. I know him or her, and I know that we're going to have a difficult time in this case. Or your wife is represented by attorney B. Well, I know attorney B, and they're very amicable to work with. I think we'll be able to settle this case. That extra bit of knowledge is really important. So as you're interviewing potential attorneys to assist you in your journey, you want to listen for that type of information coming from them. How well do they know the community where your case is going to be litigated, and how well do they know the judges there?